What's up, YouTube? MX Dude here. So I got a couple more banshees ready. So I'm just gonna do a little rock around, describe the bike a bit. I might do a startup, but I'm not sure yet because I just cleaned them up, shined them up. Anyway, that's a 2008. That's a 2004 limited edition. Long travel, standard travel. Let's start with the 08. Everything is new on that bike. I'm not lying, I didn't even take the stickers off. The label, my bad. The Elka label. New plastic, emblem, headlights are new, shocker new as well. A-arm, caliper, back plate. So we got a set of 2 T6. We got a big bore 380 with a cool head, 20cc dome, brand new set of V-Force 4 with the Pro Design billet intake. I know it's got a boost bottle, but that's probably the only boost bottle that I will run. We got a nice TM chain case saver, brand new sprocket and nut, new chain. We got a back Elka. I'll show you. Even that little rubber, brand new. I got it powder coated, put a new rubber on it. Brand new handlebar, grips, clutch levers, stainless steel brake line. Those are streamlined if I remember right. Couple chrome bits, chrome parts. My bad. We got a nice little skid plate. For the back, we got a new tail light, tusk adjustable axle. Got a rear skid plate, brand new Elka rear shock. Yeah, it is pretty nice. 2 me mufflers. We got a custom airbox. Well, actually, it's modded. I cut it. I got a couple plate cut and I bolted in place. Look pretty good. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for the 08. 04. So, new plastic as well. All new emblems and sticker. It's got new headlights. Those are used, but they're long travel Elka suspension. Ligar's A-arm. I like those A-arms, really nice. I rebuilt those galloper. Stainless steel brake line. If I remember right, they're streamlined as well. I know I got those Alba Racing clamp, but they were cheap on Amazon. New handlebars, grips, levers. We got a nice set of raw 2 T6. I did them myself. They turned out good. So we got a standard boring 64mm engine with a 20cc dome. Nice Chariot cool head. Brand new V-Force. New chain. That's actually a brand new OEM shifter. Plastics are new too. ITP wheels. We got a nice Elka as well. Front and rear skid plate. Brand new tail light. Tusk adjustable axle as well, when I put them on all my bikes. And I did the airbox mod as well on that one. The black. Yeah. They do look good, to be honest. They always turn out good. Especially them weights. Anyway, that's about it. Peace out, guys.